osakeyhtiö Raision kiertolampuista.
Yes, and today's the 2022 we have Voudinkatu 25 here in Raisio, Varsinais-Suomi, egentligen Finland, proper Finland. Or is it Venhe? Or is this Venhe? Like, close to Venhe? Maybe, but let's check it.
Yeah.
Because it's called Venhe, at least close from here.
Yeah.
Venhe Raisio probably.
Yeah.
And it was built in 1980 by ValmetSchlieren. It was VS 5637 with 8 floors. And yes, it'll be expected the next year, 2023. But I am not sure actually that I don't know if we also filmed the ValmetSchlieren here or not, but if it's different or not, but could be because there's where there's no doubt this one is a Delta also, but
Yeah.
I don't know if it's here or not, but we'll check it. We'll check the building 23 also.
Yeah.
Because I'm not sure if I went here or not.
Yeah.
This could have been made a bit faster,
Yeah.
but it's amazing.
Inspiratiivt and maintained by Otsana Deskratis.
It's quite warm inside here.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Go to the building 23 now.
That's